Welcome to our GPU battle. Today, we are comparing two powerful graphics cards, the MSI GeForce RTX 3060 and the PNY GeForce RTX 5080. We'll dive deep into their specifications, performance benchmarks, and pricing to see which one reigns supreme in the world of gaming and graphics. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the MSI GeForce RTX 3060 excels in 1080p gaming, providing smooth frame rates and decent performance in 1440p. However, it struggles with demanding titles at higher resolutions. On the other hand, the PNY GeForce RTX 5080 is designed for extreme performance, easily handling 4K gaming with high frame rates and supporting advanced features like DLSS 4. The difference in architecture, with the RTX 3060 based on Ampere and the RTX 5080 on the newer Blackwell, highlights the generational leap in graphics technology. Price is a significant factor when choosing a graphics card. The MSI GeForce RTX 3060 is priced at a budget-friendly $309, making it an attractive option for gamers looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the PNY GeForce RTX 5080 comes with a hefty price tag of $1,039, reflecting its high-end capabilities and target audience. This price difference highlights the varying needs of gamers and professionals, with the 3060 catering to mainstream users and the 5080 aimed at enthusiasts and content creators. In terms of features, the MSI GeForce RTX 3060 offers essential capabilities for gamers, including support for ray tracing and DLSS, though it lacks the latest advancements. The PNY GeForce RTX 5080, however, boasts cutting-edge technology with its GDDR7 memory, PCIe 5.0 support, and enhanced AI capabilities. This makes the 5080 not only a powerhouse for gaming, but also a great choice for professionals working with demanding applications. The feature set difference illustrates the leap in technology and performance that comes with the newer generation of graphics cards. In conclusion, the MSI GeForce RTX 3060 is an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers who want solid performance at 1080p and decent 1440p capabilities. Meanwhile, the PNY GeForce RTX 5080 is a top-tier card designed for those who demand the best in gaming and professional performance. If you're looking for extreme power and the latest features, the 5080 is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech insights.